is up Web3 crew? Krista right here at Dubai AI Festival 2025, and I'm with Mr. Marcus Petersson of Furhat Robotics. How are you today?
Hello.
Very well, thank you.
And how's the event so far?
It's been very good. It's been very busy, even though it's just half day of the first day. I'm feeling quite exhausted already, but it's very good.
Is this your first time to be part of Dubai AI Festival?
It's the first time that we exhibit at the Dubai AI Festival, yeah.
All right, now let's talk about Furhat Robotics and what's the story behind it.
So Furhat Robotics is a Swedish company founded 10 years ago. We developed a social humanoid robot that has social capabilities, just like us humans. A robot can hear you, it can talk to you, and it can see you. So it's a robot intended for social interactions.
Oh, that's interesting, for social interactions. So what makes Furhat stand out from all the competitors?
So Furhat Robotics was the first company to actually project the face with a projector inside the robot, which makes it possible for us to change the face very easily. But more importantly, we can really mimic the facial expressions of us humans. So it's a really human experience, even though you're talking to a robot.
Isn't it scary, like robots can copy all of the humans? So do you think that robots are a threat or a tool for humankind?
We see robot as a tool to support us humans. We never created a robot to replace people, but to assist people. And of course there is a hurdle to overcome, and you need to get comfortable talking to a robot. But I think the benefit of having robots to support us humans, whether that's in a reception or in a school or in a hospital, it's much greater than the sort of threat. And for me, there is no threat really.
Because me, I'm really scared about robots. I mean, like for now, AIs, they can actually replace my job. Right, you know what I mean? There's AI hosts, there's robots filling their gas tanks, robots, waiters, and what are your thoughts about that?
I think over time technology has always been a supportive part of our life. It's always, we develop solutions to help us in every day. I never think that technology will fully replace people. There will be part of what we do that robots or technology can do in the future. But I think there is a very important aspect of sort of the human touch, which will always be in demand, and that's why technology will never fully replace us as people.
And what do you think is the future impact of Furhat in the ecosystem?
I think Furhat is a way of humanizing the way that we talk to technology. Today we're talking to screens, we have virtual reality glasses. Having a robot with a human face, with human expressions and facial expressions, is a way for us to feel more secure talking to technology, and allows everyone to talk to technology the same way that we talk to each other.
Thank you so much. And then after Dubai AI Festival, where are you guys heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
There's a lot of things happening in the Middle East, as you know. I'm not really sure exactly what the next event is, but for sure Furhat will pop up in an event close to you anytime soon.
Thank you so much. And last question, but it's actually off the topic, but since that's the title of the show, what do you think is the future of money?
Great question. I think the future of money is digitalized currency somehow.
Are you into crypto as well?
Not yet. I haven't taken that step, but closely monitoring it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Marcos. And now describe Dubai AI Festival in one word.
Exciting.
Thank you so much. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.